It's a little bit sunny today. It is only just the morning, but I wanted to quickly turn the camera on and film one of my stretch sessions because I want to make yoga easy for everybody, and I want to kind of spread the message that yoga doesn't have to be like 40-minute session, 1 hour session, 30 minutes. It doesn't even have to be 20 minutes. It can in fact be like 10 minutes or 5 minutes or a moment. And you can literally do yoga anywhere in the world at any moment. You can decide to tune into your body. So that's pretty much all yoga is. It's just collecting your consciousness and investing it into your body. Today we're just going to be focusing on asanas. I encourage you, if you have a body, to stretch with me because we are so lucky to be gifted with this body, and it doesn't take much to just move it for 10 minutes and reap the rewards. It's just like a mostly seated series. So we're going to start, by the way, excuse my color coordination, just everything's in the washing basket, so this is all I have. We're just going to start on our knees like this, and we're just going to focus on our breath. So bring your awareness into your breath. Hands on your thighs. We're going to start from the top and we're going to move to the knees and slowly roll your shoulders over, curving your back. Bring your belly button in, suck it in, and exhale. Inhale. Feel into all the beauty spots at the back. Exhale and arch. It's kind of like a cat-cow, but on our knees, like this. Inhale, bring your shoulders forward. Exhale, look up and push your shoulder blades back. Inhale. Drop your neck, tune into your stomach. Exhale. Shoulders go back. Press your elbows back also. Inhale. Roll your back as hunched over as you can possibly get it. You might feel in your bottom of your back some stretching. Maybe it's the top. Shoulders down and back, chin up, open your chest. One more, so inhale and do not leave any space for any more air. And then when we exhale, we're going to empty our lungs completely of all the old air. Inhale. All the way, exhale. And now we're going to lift our arms up. And drop our right arm to the side and bend it so our forearm is on the floor. Reach over with your left arm looking at the ceiling. Stomach in. Feel the stretch through your left side. Open your chest. Don't curve it closed. Open. Inhaling and exhaling at your pace. Stomach in. One last inhale and exhale. On the inhale, return. On the exhale, release the left arm down and swap. Push your right shoulder back. Leave space for your ear and stomach in. Inhaling. On the next inhale, we're going to bring it up. And exhale down. reach your arms to the front, fingers together, and open them up. We're going to turn them to the back and interlock your fingers, so like this, but at the back. We're just going to do some little bounces to the top. Try and push your shoulders back. And release. Now we're going to stretch our neck, so tilt your neck very gently to the right side. Just press your left shoulder down. You don't have to touch your head. Just consciously make the effort to press and roll your shoulder back and down, on both sides actually. But your left side will allow you to deepen the stretch on your neck. Breathe. Forward now. Shoulders roll back and down. And to the left side. Right shoulder pushes down. This is a perfect example that you don't need a perfect yoga outfit to practice yoga. I just found that any shirt's not even my shirt. Oh, feels so nice. Now we're gently going to bring it to the top. Push, arching our lower back, which will allow us to lift our chest. And we're going to just look gently at the sky. Don't drop your neck back, just lift your chin. And feel the airways open, allowing you to breathe in so deeply. Shoulders down. And return to neutral position. Okay, now we're going to do some lower back stretches. Come into a seated position, like so. I hope you can see me. I realize the sun's on my face and it probably looks like a little ghost. But seated position, legs out straight, shoulders back. Consciously maintain the straight line through your spine from the bottom to the top. Chest open. We're going to lift arms up to the side, up through the side, and inhale, exhale down. And maybe you can only touch your knees, it's fine. We're just stretching. It's the first stretch of the day for some of us. And back up. We're going to do this 3 times. Exhale. Shoulders away from your ears. Inhale. Lifting up. One last time. Keep your spine straight when you go down. Maybe you can only touch your knees, your shins. It's fine, no matter what. Or your elbows can attempt to touch the floor. It's your wish. Do not put yourself in any pain just for this movement. It automatically turns into a toxic practice as soon as you push your body out of its limits in a painful way. Exhale. And if you can touch your feet, try and push your big toes and your little toes down. If you can't, just do that with your own muscle. Inhale and return. Arms come down, and next we're going to take our right leg, bend it up and down. So right leg goes out to the right side. And we're going to go lift arms up again. Inhale, exhale down. Stretch your lower spine. Keep your foot flexed. Inhale up. And release. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to twist our body to face the right side, to face this leg. Open our arms, grab our foot, and lift over. So it's another side stretch. And you may feel it in between the left inner thigh. Inhale, exhale at your own pace. Open your shoulders. And return. Now we're going to lift our right leg up, swap, do the other side. Left leg comes up and bending out to the left side. We're going to shift our shoulders to the left side this time, facing the left knee. Arms come out to the side, right arm goes down, left arm goes over. You can touch your hand or you can keep reaching for the distance. But keep the space between your ear and your shoulder. And return. Release your left leg. We're going to bend both knees. Hands in, into the knees. Bend them as much as you need to, up close to your chest. We're going to take a pistol grip in between our toes and we're going to lift up to a half boat pose. We're going to lift up to a half V pose. Just balance on your seated bones, seat bones. Shoulders press back and down. Flex your toes, keep space between them. Looking over the top of your feet. Now we're going to lift and challenge ourselves 5 times. So if you'd like, you can join in. We're going to lift up to a V position. Inhale. And down. Inhale. 2. Shoulders down. Down. Inhale. Down. Inhale. Down. Inhale. Down. I think that was the last one. And release. Now we're going to just hug our legs and do a little bit of a rocking stretch to stretch it all out. 5 rocks. 4, 5. When you're finished, just meet me back in this position with your knees bent. We're going to open the knees into a butterfly position, grip underneath your feet, and just bounce. Pushing, using the force from under your feet to pull and stretch your lower back and stretch your spine and really work underneath. Really work your shoulders down and lengthen your neck. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to move up into garland pose. So just shift your weight forward onto your feet and we're going to finish the practice in garland pose. So opening your hips, pressing your elbows in and just trying to maintain our balance. And in this pose, you can set an intention for the day, set an intention for the night, an intention for the week, the month, or just don't set any intentions at all and just thank yourself for being here. Because seriously, if you joined into this class, that's like such a good step in the right direction for you. It means you have like the conscious awareness that you want to grow. You want to better yourself, better your mind, your body, your breath, whatever it may be. So, hands down on the ground, you can come back to a kneeling position and finish in child's pose. And you can remain in child's pose until you wish, but I'm just going to say goodbye and say thank you for joining me for my morning yoga. It's always a pleasure. So subscribe if you want. I'm going to be posting a lot more quick yoga sessions, so if you have any kind of specific yoga that you would like to focus on, whether it be for your neck, shoulders, back, hips, legs, wrists, arms, whatever it may be, just let me know in the comments or you can message me. So thank you.